Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips. Just another episode, and this video I'm going to talk about something very important because for the few days I was been keep on posting the videos regarding the Snapchat because there kind of few errors are happening, and this video is all about how to fix if Snapchat camera not working or a black screen bug issue happening in your Android device as well as even the iPhone, right? How to fix this up. So I'll be providing a link in the description to our blog where you can read this article. Also you can refer our blog for the same regarding custom ROMs, Android tips and tricks, and even the gaming reviews, right? So let's get started. So I'll be showing you what are the 5 methods you have to try out if you're having the camera not working or a black screen bug issue in your devices. So it's all about these tricks. So first thing, what you have to do is if you're having a Snapchat, what you have to do first one is all about if the Snapchat is already logged in, if your account is already logged in, what you have to do is you have to log out back, right? You have to log out. Then once after that you have to log in again, right? So this can fix an issue for the most of the cases because some kind of issues will be there over there, so this can be fixed. And number 2, it's all about checking your internet connection, right? You have to go in the notification bar and you have to look for the internet connection because sometimes if you're using the mobile data, even the Wi-Fi, make sure the internet connection is good enough. So if there is no internet connection good enough, then it is very hard so that you will not be having, you will be having these kind of issues. So for not only Snapchat, for any app you're having any kind of problems, make sure the internet connection is you're having good. Even if you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi, make sure it is already in a connection so that there is no issues regarding this, right? Moving on, the third one is all about, it is all about clearing the cache and data, right? You have to clear the cache and data so that, as you mentioned, so that if you wanted to clear the cache and data, you have to go back to the Snapchat. You can go in the same way for the settings, and for the convenience of mine, I'm going over here. Then you have to select storage, right? Once you have selected storage, you have 2 options, as you can see, which is clear cache and clear storage. Tap on these. First, you have to clear the cache, then go for clear storage. So as you receive a message, it will be deleting. It will be deleting some of the files, and it will be, so you're not having any issues, you can directly go for it, and it doesn't matter, you can go for it, right? Once you're done with it. And the third one regarding the camera, as I mentioned, you have to give permission for the Snapchat camera, right? So that you have to give the permissions, and you have to log in once again, as you mentioned. So as everything is there, right? You have to give the permissions such a way that the camera is getting the permission so that you can capture something. For that you have to check, you have to go to the settings, and as you can see, this is what you have to give. Now you have to go for turn on. Most probably, if you're having the issues that something regarding this one, you have to make sure that the permission is given for the camera. So you have to go for turn on. If it is not possible from here, we can go for settings and you can give this up, right? Once it is, most probably this will be working. And the 5th one is all about uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat, right? So that you have to go to the Play Store, right? First of all, before that, make sure it is up to date, right? You have to go to the Snapchat and it is not up to date, so I have to go for the update, right? Once after you're done with the update, if it's still having some kind of issues, it is already updated. So if you're having any kind of issues, what you have to do is just uninstall the Snapchat. From here you can go for here, just uninstall the Snapchat. You're having an option, go for uninstall, and just reinstall the app and try it out. So these are the 5 methods which you have to try must if you're having any kind of camera issues in your Snapchat or any kind of black screen bug if you're having. So that's all about it. Any kind of suggestions regarding this are most welcome in the comment section. This is Shahin from Good Travel Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. See you soon in the next video. Keep practicing social distance. See you soon. Peace.